Hello everyone and welcome to English class. How are you today? I hope everyone is doing well and that you're having a good winter vacation. Okay, so today we're going to be speaking about opinions. So the theme of today's class is opinions. Opinions are what you think about something. For example, which is the tastiest? So we have four options: pizza, chicken, ice cream, or kimchi. And to answer, we could say, I think chicken is the tastiest, or I think ice cream is the tastiest. So that's what you think about something. You are giving your opinion. Who is the best soccer player? So once again, we have four options. And to answer, you could say, I think Son Heung-min is the best player, or any other player that you think is the best player. We have different ways to ask for opinions, and I'll mention three. So let's have a look. The first one is, what do you think of? The second one is, what do you think about? And lastly, we have, what's your opinion on? So these are ways that we could use to ask for opinions. So we have different ways to respond and give a reason. So when we're responding, we'll also add a reason. So for example, we could say, I think, thing, because, thing. Or, in my opinion, then you add a comma and you give your opinion. Or you could say, it's, then you add an adjective and you add to. So it, adjective, and to. Okay, so here's an example. So we're going to go over two examples. So the first one will be speaking about school lunch. So it says, in my opinion, school lunch is delicious. So that's what I think. So I think school lunch is delicious. So what's your opinion? And why? So you also have to give a reason. So I'll give you some time to just think about it. So what's your opinion on school lunch? And why? Okay, ways that we could use to answer. One could say, in my opinion, school lunch is delicious. So that's the positive, the good. And another way to answer could be, in my opinion, school lunch is not delicious. So that's the negative. So you think school lunch is not delicious. And then you have to respond and say why. That's when we add because. So we add because and we give a reason. Okay, let's look at examples. In my opinion, school lunch is delicious. Another way to answer, we could say, I think school lunch is delicious because I'm always full after lunch. Or you could also say, it's good to eat all my favorite foods. So that's you speaking on school lunch and giving your reason. So you're giving your opinion and a reason. Okay, so we're moving on to number 2. In my opinion, English is useful. So now we're speaking on English. So what do you think of English class? So what's your opinion and why? Okay, so here are some examples. In my opinion, English class is useful. And another one we could say is, in my opinion, English class is hard. Okay, so we have reasons as well. We have because. Because it helps me communicate. because I can use it when I travel. Because it's fun to learn new expressions. And if you think it's hard, here are some examples. In my opinion, English is hard because there is a lot of work. I don't use it every day. It has difficult words. We'll now go over examples. The first one is, I think English is useful because it helps me communicate. The second one is, it's fun to learn new expressions. So we're done for today and we have a little assignment to do below. So in the comment section, I'd like you to write one sentence using because or one sentence using it's plus adjective plus to. So you'll be giving your opinion on something. I hope to see your comments below and I hope you have a good day. Goodbye.